Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on my brand new Excalibur cigar pack. So this Excalibur cigar pack is made by Hoyo De Monterrey. And so something that I want to mention is that I've already opened this pack, and it did have one of those small Boveda packs, but it was completely dry. So the quality and humidity of this Excalibur pack can be a hit or miss. Now this pack does come with one shade, one Maduro, one black, and one Cameroon. This pack is going to be great for anyone new just getting into the cigar industry, mainly because it does give you a little bit of everything. So as a beginner, you definitely want to expand your taste buds. You want to try every single flavor profile that they have out there, and this is a great way. Even though the Boveda pack was completely dry, feeling the cigars, they actually feel pretty good. They don't feel dry, they're not cracking, and they actually have a little bounce to them, which is actually a really good thing. So like I said, first here we have the shade. Then we also get a Maduro. Following that, we have the black, and then finally the Cameroon. Now I did notice this little bump on the Cameroon, which feels like a vein or just something really hard protruding, which I don't think should be a big issue, but that's something I want to show. And so other than the fact that these came with a really dry Boveda pack, the selection is great. It's great for beginners if you want to try new different wrappers, or if you just haven't tried the Hoyo De Monterrey brand, which that is my case. And I think there was no better way to try this brand out than to get the Excalibur pack. Overall, I'm very excited about this haul. If you've ever smoked any of these cigars, let me know what you think. Did you like them? Did you not? If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.